I'm back with a review on some hair that I picked up from Unice Hair. Y'all know they are my most favorite human hair wig company. I review Unice Hair the most because they are my favorite. If you look down in the description box, I'll put a direct link to this wig as well as all the details on this. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Help me get to that 70K. That is my next goal. If you have been subscribed, thank you so much for sticking with me through it all. Okay, if you wonder what I'm looking down at, I'm eating a snowball. All right, so the wig, of course, came in this beautiful pink packaging. All I did was take out the shipping because y'all know I like to do everything on camera with y'all. So if we open up the wig box, we have the wig and we have the extra that Unice always includes with their units. We have an edge band, we have an edge brush with a removable head, and we have some HD wig caps. All right, so as far as the wig, this is a 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig. It is a Yaki straight and it is 24 inches long. I see they've included some bye-bye knots tabs. Let's take it out of this packaging so we can look at those tabs and look at the cap construction of this. Y'all know I love a 7x5 because with a 7x5 wig, I feel like I don't have to do too much work to it like you have to do with like a 13x4 or 13x6. So a 7x5 is right up my alley because I can't comb hair, and even if I could, I think I'm too lazy to do all the extra that comes with it. So I love a 7x5. Something else that I can tell you already that I love on this wig from Unice, y'all, is this texture. Oh. Look at the angel singing. Y'all, look at that wig, how pretty that texture is. This is gorgeous. Let me take this paper out. So if we look at the cap construction, it is my dream cap construction because not only do I see that 7x5 that I just told y'all why I love a 7x5, I also see that it has a glueless adjustable band, and it has my new favorite in human hair wigs. It has this drawstring. This drawstring allows the wig, I mean a glueless band did, but with this drawstring, the wig feels so secure on my head, way more so than the glueless band actually did. So I love this. I love that it's adjustable. I just love that. It also has some regular adjustable straps here in the back, and we have a comb in the back as well. Let's look at this hairline right up close, right out of the pack. And like I always tell y'all, I can't comb hair. So to get a unit straight out of the pack that looks this good, y'all know I'm in love, okay? This will not take long. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on my head. I'll probably have to run my flat iron through it because I see it has some bumps there at the end. Through shipping, I'll give you a 360 and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back. final thoughts on this gorgeous, 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 gorgeous Yaki straight wig, and I'm in love with this. Y'all know it's always 3 things I'm looking for: affordability, beginner friendliness, and quality. And Unice knocked all of these out of the park. But y'all know I'm like I always say, I'm a sucker for a 7x5 because I feel like as long as I can pull some up, some down like I did here, I'm good to go. And I can do that with this wig. I can wear it all down, pull some up in a little sloppy ponytail, and I'm out the door. Straight out of the pack, this wig just slaps. And that is why Unice, I think, will forever be my favorite. If you look, all I did was push those baby hairs back, and this is what we got. I didn't even put any powder in the part or any of those things, and I think that this looks really good. Unice, I think, is the queen company of throw on and go units in human hair, so I do love that. I haphazardly ran my flat iron through it. I'm pretty sure I did some footage so you can see the full body length of this, and I absolutely love it. I'm trying to see if you can see. Here's my belly button, and this is where the wig falls. I just think it's a very, very, very nice wig, and I think this is one that you will absolutely love once you get it home. But at this point, Unice is at 100% for me saying that. I absolutely love them. As a matter of fact, I'm filming 3 other Unice wigs today. You'll see the same setup, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like all of them. So I'm in love with this one just like the other ones. If you look in the description box, you'll see a direct link to this wig as well as all the details, because this is one, like I said, I think you will love once you get home. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what your thoughts are on this unit. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon.